Okay, welcome to Project Get Ready. Today we're going to do the GT knot. This is joining braid to mono. It's the fastest and strongest knot to use for joining braid to mono. So we're going to start off with the monofilament first. You're going to make your monofilament line look like this. Take two fingers and pinch it together like that. And then take your other hand and pinch it like that. You're going to take the tag end here and wrap it twice. Go once and twice. And then you're going to take your tag end again right here and pull it through this loop here. So you're going to begin to make it to look like this. Now we're going to take our braided line, we're going to fish it through. We're going to go up here and then through here. I'm going to take the line and go through the bottom, the loop, and then fish it through this part of the loop. So it's going to look like this going through. You're going to pull a good ways through and then snug up your monofilament line. So now for the braid, we're going to come here and make a uni knot. So as we all know, the uni knot, you're going to make a circle over top of your mono with the braid, and then we're going to take the tag end and pass it through about 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to take this tag end of the braid and pull it tight. Make sure you moisten your knots when you're tightening them. And then we're simply pulling them together. And then you want your knot to look exactly like that. Now we're going to trim off the 2 tag ends because that looks funky and feels funky. So we'll go like this. We'll trim the braided first. You can do it in whatever order you want. And then we'll trim the monofilament. Okay, now our finished product looks just like this. That's braid to mono. So what's the difference between what I'm doing on the knots and what everybody else is doing on the knots? We're going to say, why are we using this knot? In the case of everything you guys have seen with flipping fins, the GT knot. So we're joining braid to mono, and then this is for your long leaders. So if you want to use like 5 and 6 foot leaders, this knot will pass easily through the guides. You can cast this knot for miles when, if you're using longer leaders. And then the shock leader. So what I mean by the shock leader, if you're fishing heavy cover like in the rocks or wreck fishing, you know that the braided line will cut easier than the mono. Or heck, you're blue fishing. I've had guys tell me they're blue fishing, they're getting cut off because of the the other fish that swim with them is going to cut them off with the braid, and the mono can take a few more hits than the braid. So hopefully this helps you guys out. The GT knot, part of Project Get Ready. Thank you for joining me. Get out there and flip some fins.